Hey guys, as promised, I got that video set up for you. It's going to be on YouTube. It's an easier platform for me to use because it's 15 minutes long. And I don't want to do in multiple parts like people do on TikTok and stuff. That's irritating. So we did the video of our crossing, and specifically that 130-minute knockdown, near knockdown period that was the scariest time of our lives. Please check it out. Go to the YouTube. It's in our bio. It's also just sailing inspiration if you want to look for it on YouTube if you're not already subscribed. Speaking of which, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you can see any new future videos that will be coming out. I promise. I know I've been behind on that, but yeah, check it out. I hope you guys enjoy it, and love you. We'll see you later.